OK, next up. I don't know about all of you, but my Slack has a lot of things that look like this. This is an example channel from Uber called Design Finder. And they use it to post screenshots from which they can then search for assets in Figma. So for example, here's a screenshot of the app. And they're saying, hey, does anyone know where the Figma file for this design is? Does anyone else have a channel like this? Several of us. OK. So I'm going to paste this right in. And one thing that I promised to show you was, how do you find what you're looking for? So let's try to do that. I'm going to now use this search for similar command to see what it does. And right away, it finds for me within Figma the right screen for that app. And it's all in vector forms. I can navigate this. I can change things. It's exactly what I need. Now, maybe I'm thinking to myself, oh, man, OK, I need to get the screen that's after this next, and I just totally don't remember what it's called. Probably some of you have had that happen before as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search here for a string that I remember on that screen, which is confirm your pickup spot. And I immediately get screens that are relevant. So now just drag that in as well. And now I've got my pickup spot right there. And I was able to do it. It says pickup refinement. Apparently, that's the name. I never would have remembered that. But now I can find it with just the string. OK, next, what I want to do to build this out is I know there's like this icon somewhere where it's sort of like a circle. It's got almost like crosshairs to center the map, but I don't really remember what it's called. So I'm just going to draw this with the pencil tool. Maybe that'll work. So I'm going to draw a circle. And it's not my best work, but all right, I'm going to group this and say search for similar. And now if I go to components, you'll see that I get the center tool icon right there. I can just drag that in. So what we hope is that this will make it much easier to find what you need in Figma. Now, if you're not on a big Figma team, you might be wondering, well, what does this mean for me? That's nice, but it doesn't apply. It actually is still interesting, I promise. So if we go to the community tab here and search for example admin dashboard UI, you'll see that it's able to search across our entire Figma community. And you're able to then pull in the result that you want. So for example, here's a beautiful dashboard that I was able to just pull in from the community. And this is also attributed right away to the creator. So if I click here, you can see that this is made by Shugab. And Shugab not only has exactly what I pulled in, but I can now also look at all the, oh, not that, but all sorts of other pages within their UI. And I can also look at other things that they've created in the community as well. Honestly, I think this is one of the most interesting parts of search, is being able to find all these cool fragments within the community that you can pull from.